Here we have a 2020 BMW M340i M Sport. Now this vehicle does come with over £2,000 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights, the black front kitty girls, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear boot spoiler with a rear diffuser. We have your blacked out styling on this vehicle, so you do get your black wheels against the grey paintwork, with your privacy glass on the rear, your black wing mirrors and also your black window trim. We have your front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual black tip exhaust flush the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser with your XDRIVE and M340i badging on the rear. Now I do have a nice spacious size boot for the size of this vehicle with storage bins on the left and on the right hand side. Now popping that back down and stepping back, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. We have your LED rear lights which do look very, very cool at night. If I go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior, where you can find your full leather seats throughout with the blue stitching. You have your M Sport stitching in the seatbelt, pull down armrest, because the ambient lighting just over there, ISOFIX points down there as well, and your climate control for the rear. You have your electric windows, integrated Harman Kardon speakers just there as well. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger have the extended thigh support and are heated. Again, the blue stitching with the M Sport stitching in the seat belts. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, and again you integrate Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car and looking over here, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. As you can see, we have a multi-function steering wheel with your paddle shift if we're state of car into manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limit set just there as well. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any more lights on the dashboard and has covered, if I go through, just over 18,000 miles. Now you do have the instrument cluster in front here, which is customizable, so you go for your different drive modes. It does also change, as you can see, just there. You can change what's on the right hand side, as you can see there as well. And you also have your map in the background there as well. Satellite navigation screen in the centre, where you can also find your nav. You have your media connectivity via DAB radio. You also have your Spotify, Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity. Screen mirroring. You also have your phone. Go to home. You have your home screen just there as well. All these different settings also gives you radio, temperature and also news. If I go across and go to apps, you can find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into this vehicle. Pop car into reverse, front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. Dual zone climate control works exactly how you'd expect it to, with 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings like today when it is -1 degrees, as you can see down there, it is a very nice feature to have. You have your piano black trim throughout this vehicle. You have your storage down there, USB, 12-volt connectivity, 2 nice sized cup holders, and you've got your key just there as well. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen if you don't use the touchscreen function. Stop start, traction start on and off, parking sensors, start on and off, different drive modes with your adaptive, auto hold with your electric handbrake, soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well with your USB-C port just down there. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contact and nationwide next day delivery. HBI clear comes a fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2020 20 plate BMW M340i. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to check the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not identified with steering wheel to keep us in a straight line, it's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift if we stay the car into manual mode, and also on the left hand side you do have your cruise control and speed limit options. We have your digital dash in front of me, which changes the look when you go through your different drive modes. Where you have it in Eco Pro, it goes blue, and when you have it in Sport, it gives you the checkered flag light look. Ambient lighting throughout this vehicle really does make the inside come to life with the gloss black piano trim. It is a very nice feature to have. We have a very comfortable full leather front seats and also rear seats. Now the front seats are heated and also have the extended fire support, so for those cold winter mornings, the rear does make all the difference. Screen in the centre where you see satellite navigation, you have your Bluetooth read and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control, so it works very, very nicely with ice cold aircon, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you're listening out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership. We're over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. If you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good you are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So in a second, I'm coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to follow a major stop, pop straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen in the rear reversing camera with your sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Pod onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You got the camera just there, and your front and rear parking sensors on the right hand side. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Made a test drive here to hear from you soon. Cheers.